Good morning, friends. Let's discuss problem number 9, implement UNIX find command in Java. So we want a similar type of utility in Java, which works exactly same as the find command. So let's see that what is the find command first. So I have got my git bash open here. As you can see, I am pointing to a source test resources file. So if I do ls, so I can see that there are some files here, like .txt files and this one .celeste file. And also if I look at this subdirectory here inside it, so if I do ls here, ll is a shortcut of ls-lrt. So again, I can see that there are two files here, dummy1.txt and dummy2.txt. So just to give an example of the find command in Unix, which will work similarly as here in git bash, because both git and Linux commands works in the same way. So I do find dot is the current directory minus name, and then if I just pass say start dot txt, star will take any pattern which is having like amendment dot pb dot dummy one, everything would be coming in the star, and dot txt, it should always end with dot txt. So when I enter this here, so as I can see that all the files starting from the current directory, starting from this directory, and starting from this to say all those subdirectories also from the current path, those are also listed. So this is the beauty of this find command. It's very fast, and as you can see that as soon as I type it here, and I by minus name, which I'm giving the pattern after it, it will list down all the files ending with this pattern, matching this pattern file name, and all the subdirectories also would be listed here. So this is what the find command in Unix does. So we have to implement the similar way in our Java. So I have already implemented it. I will suggest that how it will work is that this is our main program, and in this main program we will be passing the two arguments. The first argument would be the directory name, the same as here in find. We are giving the directory name. So here the directory name is given as dot, which is the from here itself. So once I'm inside this source test resources folder, dot means that I'm currently in this current folder. And the second parameter is the name pattern. So here in Unix, we have to pass this minus name, and then we have to pass this name pattern, file name pattern that we want to list down, find and list down. So similar way, we have to pass these two arguments, directory name and the name pattern, and then call this find files pattern method to list it down. So just to give a demo here, that once you implement this, this is the test case where I'm passing the same thing. I'm passing this name pattern here, and the find. I mean, in this I have already set the current directory as source test sources. As you can see, the path is already set as directory name, as the first argument is already set as source test resources, which is this folder. And after that, I'm only passing the second parameter as the name pattern that I want to do. If I just run this command, so run this test case, sorry. So as it is a parameterized test, it will list down everything as I requested. So for example, let me just quickly go through it. So it means that anything which starts ends with .txt, it would be listed down here. It should give me exactly the same result as I can see in the find pattern, find in Unix here. So when I list it here, it will be giving me all the text file, including the subdirectory. Similarly, it has been printed here when I pass this. If I only pass .star.ser, as we know that is only one file which is there, ending with .ser. So the .ser is there, in this one. Okay. So similarly, I mean, there are other regex patterns. Anything starting with A should be also printed here. So for example, here I can see only amendments.txt. If anything was BB, then I can also see that BB and BB locked.txt, these two files are there, and so on. And there are some other regex patterns that I have considered, like any like single character matching and any like one character matching here. So all these regex patterns with the single character and like any one of it, so all has been implemented here. So this is the problem, and I would suggest that you guys go and implement your own way, that how you implement it. And the criteria is like this, that we should be able to pass the first argument as the directory name and the second as the file name pattern, something like this. Then when I call from the terminal, it should behave like this, and then list down all the file name patterns with the given file name pattern here in the argument, the second argument, and from the current directory, including the subdirectories. So please try this problem on your own. In the next video, I will go through it with my solution. See you all in the next video.